To set up TD Bank Zelle transfers, start by ensuring you have a TD Bank account and the TD Bank mobile app installed on your device. Open the app and log in to your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select the Zelle option. If you do not see Zelle, you may need to select the Send Money option and then choose Zelle from the list of available services. You will then be prompted to enroll in Zelle by accepting the terms of service. Read through the terms carefully and select the Accept option to proceed. Next, you will need to verify your identity by providing your mobile number and email address. This is a security measure to ensure that your account is protected. After verifying your identity, you can start sending money using Zelle. To do this, select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's mobile number or email address. Choose the account you want to use to send the money and enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a memo to the transaction, which is optional. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct before selecting the Send option. To receive money using Zelle, the sender will need to have your mobile number or email address enrolled in Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the money will be deposited directly into your TD Bank account. It is essential to note that Zelle transfers typically occur within minutes, and the service is available 24/7. However, it is crucial to only send money to people you know and trust, as Zelle transactions cannot be reversed. By following these steps, you can easily set up TD Bank Zelle transfers and start sending and receiving money quickly and securely. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully and only send money to trusted recipients.